Meaning of dry cleaning.
Dry cleaning.
Dry cleaning.
Dry cleaning.
Dry cleaning. Dry cleaning is a process of cleaning clothes or fabrics with a chemical solvent instead of water. The solvent used in dry cleaning is typically a petroleum-based liquid that is not aqueous and able to dissolve stains and soils without damaging the fabric. The result is a thorough cleaning with minimal shrinkage or damage to the fabric. Dry cleaning can remove stubborn stains like oil, grease, and ink that traditional laundering cannot. It is a professional service that requires specialized equipment and expertise. Properly dry cleaned garments will have a fresh, clean, and pressed appearance, making them look and feel new again.